Hello guys, welcome to Tech Solution. Today I explain how to repair 3 kVA online UPS main card. This is a 3 kVA online UPS I am showing here. I have to repair 3 kVA online UPS very easily. How do I repair? I show you. First of all, you open the case and see switch on the power on input side. When switch on, then you first check DC power, that means back side of the UPS. See here, I am seeing you, this is the DC power connector. Okay, you check by multimeter it how much DC voltage is coming from inside or charger. If it is comes 109 DC volt, then it is okay. How you have to check? Put on the multimeter in DC port and then you check. If it is okay, then you come to the front side. Front means main board side. There is two part. One part is controller card and other part is main board. First of all, you have to check all the switches and all the fuses. See, first of all, you have to check fuse. On continuity multimeter, you check the continuity. If it is okay, beep sound is coming, then fuse is okay. Then you have to go to the controller side. Then on controller side, you have to check and remove the all the pins, and controller card remove the front main card. There is so many pins is there in 3 portion, 1, 2, 3, and again you clamp this board on this main board. See if there is no pin is missing. Okay, then you have to check front LED panel cable. This cable is okay. You put the cable tightly. See, I am seeing you. This is the cable. Okay. Then you have to check all the connector. If it is put tightly, then you have to go to fan side. There is two fan back side of this UPS. One is for cooling of this main board and other is for cooling of this DC supply. Two fans is there. You have to check the fans is working properly, means their RPM should be same or constantly. Then you have to check input voltage. Then you power on the cable and then check voltage is coming or not. If voltage is coming properly, that means input voltage. This input voltage come to filter. Then from filter there is two part. One part is goes to main board and another is on the charger card. See, this is the black is negative and brown is positive. You have to check there is mention plus or minus. You have to put this cable accordingly. And from there output voltage is there and plus output OP oblique plus V, that means output positive, and OP oblique minus V, that means negative output. So you have to check and then go to the main board side. If it is found okay, then go to the MOSFET side. You have to check MOSFET. If you know how to check diode, that means that one side if you use multimeter, then one side you have to show 1 and another side you have to come some numbers 547, 437, whatever. You have to check and then change the prod and then check. Both sides you will get the same type. one side you will get 1 and another side you will get some numbers. And in this way you have to check MOSFET. If you do not know how to check MOSFET, then you go to my another video I have given how to check MOSFET, and there is some condenser is also there. You have to check condenser. How to check condenser? This is DC condenser. You have to short this with the help of a, you switch off the power and then with the help of a wire. If it spark, then it is okay. It is charging. This capacitor is used for filtering of DC supply. Okay, then you have to check this way. This is the rectifier. AC to DC rectifier is there on this sheet zinc. You have to see last portion you have to see, and this is where you have to check all the board. If there is found any problem in this UPS, DC power is okay, no problem, but when we switch on, it is giving beep sound. After beeping, it is not switch on. So I have to check where is the problem. Then I have to check controller card, then fan port, MOSFET, input connections and fuses. After all the checking, I have found that controller card has some problem. That means control card not switching on this UPS. If you want to change this controller card, then you have to change. Otherwise, you can repair it. But controller card is repair is too tough. You cannot repair this controller card yourself. The best of all, you change the controller card. Now I have to change the controller card and then put accordingly and show all the pins and connectors, cables that fit properly. After fitting it, I have found that this UPS is working fine. Now it is switch on and output current is coming. If your system or UPS is not working, that means first you have to check DC voltage, then you have to check input and output and also filter connection. There is a filter connection input side, AC input side. From AC input side, this is come to one pair is coming to motherboard and another is to charger card. And from this motherboard, 2 points is coming to the output side, output socket. There is 4 output socket is there, and this output is coming from motherboard to output socket. Now I have changed the controller card and it is running okay. Thank you guys. You have to subscribe, share and like my videos. I am giving this video for your